Hey everybody, it's Heather and Perla. Perla is not participating right now. She's just sitting by me. I wanted to tell you about something I've been doing for a long time. I've got these cards that are called Spiritual AF cards, and basically they come in a little deck, and you pull one each day. It's like a mini motivation. But the girl who wrote it, she's really funny. She said she's got like an agnostic friend, a Buddhist friend, a Catholic friend, like every kind of religion or not religion friend, or vegetarian, a vegan. She's got like one type of person in different categories as a friend in her life. And she realized that she started making these quotes for herself, like positive affirmations kind of, but they came from the compilation of her and her friend groups. Her and her friends. So I pull one of them every day, and I've been doing it so long now they're all repeats. So I just wanted to read today's Spiritual AF card. If you don't know what that means, you're gonna have to look it up, because I really try to. Anyways, this one is funny and it's gonna surprise you at the end. So stay with me. It's a little lengthy, but remember, it's on like a little card, so it can't be that long. But I just want you to know that it is it's a positive way for you to think for the day, and it is just a reminder that sometimes hearing positive things in your life that you're not already thinking about can also coincide with something really funny. So for me, if it doesn't have music or laughter with it, it's sometimes it's like it's not loud enough. So I like it when it's funny too. Today's is funny. So here it goes. It says, keeping it positive won't insulate you from having emotions and needing to evolve. You're not going to spiritual your way out of hitting the next layer of wounds to heal. So many of us make the mistake of thinking we'll arrive, and that will be that with life lessons. Personal growth is more like peeling an onion than climbing a mountain. This is a good part, because I remember thinking the first time I read this, I was like, what? So, personal growth is more like peeling an onion than climbing a mountain. It gets stinkier and stinkier, and you cry more. But everything gets juicier the deeper you go. So I'm going to say that part over, because that was the good stuff. Personal growth is more like peeling an onion than climbing a mountain. It gets stinkier and stinkier, and you cry more. But everything gets juicier the deeper you go. It's really funny. So the true spiritual badasses don't pretend like their onions don't stink. And that's the part that I like the best. And Perla would too if she was awake. Perla, did you like that part? She's sleepy. So I'm going to read you the very last part again. And then I just want you to know that this upload's only going to be about 4 minutes, but it's 4 minutes to say hello. Hope you have a wonderful day, and that this might make you smile. So personal growth is more like peeling an onion than like climbing a mountain. It gets stinkier and stinkier, and you cry more, but everything gets juicier the deeper you go. The true spiritual badasses don't pretend like their onions don't stink. And that's funny. So I want to say thank you so much. I have 320 subscribers, almost 200 watch hours, and 7,000 views of my over 80 uploads, and today is day 74 of me uploading. So I've been just hitting record. I've been talking about how to monetize our channels, all the tips I found on being a YouTube creator, and then also throwing in some positive life lessons that I've learned I just turned 53. And that's that. That's me. I'm Heather, and Perla. Hey, Perla. And that's Perla. She usually comes along for the ride. So thank you for coming along with us. And I just want you to know that I love you. You are kind, and you're loved, and you're supported. And if that rings true or not, join the community. Come back. I post on the regular. I try to daily, but it's at least the regular. So we love you. Bye.